Alright guys, welcome back to the Life of Mr. E. Today I'm going to be showing you how I barbecue. We're going to start off by going to the store to get what we need. Alright guys, we're going to the meat right now. We're getting the meat that we're going to be cooking. We're going to get chicken and fajita. The tortillas. Look at all the vegetables. This place is everything. Alright, we're checking out right now. Alright, we have all the meat and stuff that we need. Now let's head back. Alright, so we have our grill right here. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit. But I'm cleaning off the grill right now with foil. It's all coming off. On to the next side. This side isn't that dirty, so I'm just gonna give this one a few scrubs, and this one's already done. Fire is the most important part of this. There, we're gonna start stacking it into a pyramid, so I'm just gonna grab all of it. We're gonna soak it in lighter fluid and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, we're gonna light it. Always get an adult to light it for you. Never do it by yourself because it can lead to serious injury or burns. So always get an adult supervision. Stand back. Now we gotta start waiting for it to burn and the charcoal to start turning white, and then we can start putting the food on it. Right, the fire's hot, the coals are white. We're gonna put our meat on right now. This is some seasoned fajita meat right here. We're gonna put it on the grill. Alright, we have all our meat. We're gonna let it cook for about 4 minutes on each side, and we're gonna start flipping it. Oh, it smells so good. Even the sauce in my fingers, it just smells so good. If y'all were here, y'all would be drooling. Alright, it's been 4 minutes. I'm gonna let my dad turn it. See all the char marks and the grill marks on it. I like to eat mine medium rare. Alright, meat's about done. I'm gonna put it in my bowl. Alright, so last piece. Alright, this right here is the fajita meat. It smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. Okay. Now we gotta start the marinated chicken. Alright, this is the marinated chicken. You do not want to lick your fingers or eat this at all. You do not want to eat this raw. It gets you really sick. It can give you salmonella and stuff. So be sure to wash your hands really good after touching this or cooking it. Chicken cooks a lot faster than the fajita meat. Now we're just gonna let it cook, and then we're gonna turn it after a while. I want to go wash my hands now because I don't want to accidentally put my fingers in my mouth, touch my face. So I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, we're gonna flip the chicken now. The reason it looks red is because of the seasoning they put all over it. Ooh, look at those marks. Before the meat's done, done, I'd like to put the tortillas on them to make them a little bit warm. So I'm gonna grab one right here. So what we do is when we pull out the meat, just wait for the tortillas so the tortillas are ready as soon as the meat comes out. All right, we'll let this sit for a few minutes and we'll come check it out. We got all the chicken, so we're gonna throw all the chicken in here. This stuff rips kind of easier than the other, so kind of careful. All right. So look at all this meat in this one bowl. It smells so good. All right. Little pieces left. I'm gonna sample this piece right here. It's kind of hot. See, it's not bad. Everything's done. We're gonna take it out now. Put it on a separate plate. Taking all the tortillas right now. Still kind of hot, so they smell like the chicken too. We have all of our meat. Marinated chicken and our fajita down there. Alright, I'm gonna make me a plate now, so I'm gonna grab some fajita, some chicken. Alright, I have my meat on my plate. I also made some rice, potatoes, and beans, so we're gonna come over here, grab our scooper. We have all of our rice, white rice in there, so we'll grab some. Potato. And we're gonna grab some beans. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna grab my tortilla, our lime. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It takes quite some time, but I think it's well worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed me cooking all this, cooking the meat on the grill. And I might post more cooking videos in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like